Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have been wondering how to change your default search engine in your Chrome browser, you came to the right place, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, and also I'm gonna show you how to change it to any other search engine of your choice. So let's jump right into it. First, of course, we open the Chrome browser, and let's say you find yourself in a search engine that you don't really like, or a search engine that you don't really use. Let's say it's Yahoo for me and I want to change it to another search engine. So even if I try to make a random search, the results are going to be within Yahoo's results right here. So if that's something I want to change, I just go ahead and open the Chrome browser and go to settings by tapping the three dots right here first. So let's go ahead and click right here, and then I tap on settings right here. Within settings, let's find search engine. It should be in the left side of the screen. So here it is. Go ahead and click on search engine. And as you can see guys, it tells me right here that Yahoo is my default search engine. Let's go ahead and change that by simply tapping on change right here. And then as you can see guys, I can use or choose any of these search engines. Let's say I want to switch to Google, so I select it right here and then I tap on set as default. And just like that, that should fix the problem. Once I open a new window, I find myself using Google search engine as a default search engine. Now, if that didn't fix your problem or you couldn't change it like that, you can always go back to settings, but instead of going to search engine, go to on startup. And then here tap on open a specific page or set of pages, and then tap add a new page. And then here enter any search engine of your choice. Let's say it's Google still, so let's go ahead and go to www.google.com, type it right here and then tap on add, and then you should find it within the search engines here if you didn't find it in the first place, and it should be set by default as your search engine on your Chrome browser. And that's how you do it guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and also again leave your comments down below. I'll do my best to answer all of them. Thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.